Hello, my name is Brittany Burgett, and this is my video explaining my tools matrix. So I just used the template that Dr. Corda provided. The first column, I took a lot of aspects of UDL, as well as teaching strategies from places such as understood.org. I felt that it would be important to me as a future teacher to have the tools to make the curriculum accessible to every student in my classroom. I felt that these teaching strategies that I found would be helpful to my future class section that I focused on areas here. Tools for student strategies. I have used an approach for EL students. Hardware and software that I decluttering found online and else that could distract. So it would be really good for your ADD section. I also found many of the items I used paper with focused on these elements, reading and writing. Those would be what I would need most. But moving down math, social skills for these. But one every core tips was to make, so that as a teacher subject means quality tool I will future classroom using students for watching, and I hope